When it comes to woodworking and precision cutting, choosing the right miter saw can make all the difference. A miter saw is a powerful tool that allows you to make accurate angled cuts, bevel cuts, and compound cuts with ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best miter saw you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Evolution Power Tools R255 SMS Plus, a masterpiece of precision and power that transforms your woodworking experience. It's the number 5 best miter saw that packs a punch. With its robust 15A high-torque motor, this saw is a force to be reckoned with. It effortlessly cuts through up to 1/8-inch mild steel, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. The adjustable 0 to 45-degree bevel cutting feature lets you achieve precise angles with ease, thanks to the clear bevel scale. But it doesn't stop there. The R255 SMS Plus offers 50 to 150-degree miter cuts, making angled finishes a breeze. The laser-guided accuracy ensures perfection in every cut. Exclusive Plus features like the premium TCT blade, taller neck and fence, and quick-release clamp elevate this saw to a league of its own. The integrated dust bag keeps your workspace clean, while the extended power cable and carry handles enhance portability. Whether you're cutting mild steel, wood with nails, composite, or plastic, the R255 SMS Plus delivers flawless results. For just $269, it's a game changer that every woodworking enthusiast needs. Get ready to unleash your creativity and craftsmanship with this exceptional tool. Meet the SKIL Saw SPT8801, the embodiment of power and precision in the world of miter saws. It's not just a tool, it's a symphony of craftsmanship designed to make your job easier, more efficient, and downright satisfying. This saw is a workhorse, backed by legendary worm drive, gearing that unleashes relentless power. Its 15-amp dual-field motor stays cool under pressure, ensuring both longevity and work efficiency. With the ability to make both left and right cuts and adjustable bevel stops, it handles any joint on the job site with grace. But what sets it apart is its feather-light construction, making transportation a breeze. The top handle adds to its portability, ensuring it's always ready to conquer your next project. The SKIL Saw SPT8801 doesn't just cut, it sculpts with unparalleled precision. The LED shadow light guides your hand with greater accuracy than lasers, ensuring every cut is a masterpiece. Don't just work, feel the might of SKIL Saw. It's more than a tool, it's your trusted partner in craftsmanship. Priced at $599, it's a small investment for a world of possibilities. Unleash your creativity with the SKIL Saw SPT8801 and elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Discover the Delta 2622-41 miter saw, a true masterpiece in the world of woodworking. Priced at just $500, this saw is not only a steal, but also a craftsman's dream come true. It has earned its reputation as the number 3 best miter saw for a reason. The Delta Dual Bevel Sliding Compound. Miter saw boasts a massive 16-inch cross-cut capacity and a 10-inch carbide blade. With its extending arm, it offers unrivaled versatility, allowing you to tackle the most demanding projects with ease. This saw's unique design minimizes the need for long rail systems, making it perfect for compact spaces. Accuracy is paramount in woodworking, and the Delta miter saw delivers. Its one-hand front miter controls and push-button miter detent override ensure precise alignment. The patented extending arms reduce lateral movement, while the shadow guide cutting system with LED illumination guarantees exact cut lines. Durability is another standout feature. Constructed with military-grade aluminum frame members and 18 heavy-duty bearings, this saw is built to last. The 15-amp motor, advanced engineering, and a 5-year pledge make it a dependable tool for years to come. Introducing the SKIL Saw 6305mm, a game-changer in the world of meter saws. This beauty has earned its spot as the #2 best meter saw, and it's easy to see why. With a powerful 15-amp motor churning out 4,800 RPM, it's a true powerhouse of precision and durability. What sets it apart? The ergonomic horizontal grip handle with a safety trigger caters to both left and right-handed users. It boasts 9 detents on its stainless steel miter plate and 11 miter locations, allowing for versatile 50-degree cuts in both directions, with 11 positive stop positions for commonly used angles. But the real star here is the LED shadow line, guaranteeing unparalleled accuracy compared to traditional lasers. And don't forget its lightweight design and built-in carrying handle, making it the epitome of convenience and portability. Priced at just $202, the SKIL MS630500 is a steal for anyone seeking precision, power, and portability in a miter saw. Say hello to the DeWalt miter saw DWS780, the crown jewel of precision and efficiency in the world of woodworking. Priced at just $499, it's an investment in craftsmanship that will redefine your woodworking experience. This miter saw earns its title as the #1 best miter saw with groundbreaking features. The integrated cut-line blade positioning system eliminates the hassle of adjustments, ensuring unmatched accuracy for your 12-inch blade cuts. The XPS technology bathes your workspace in light, casting a shadow on the precise cut line, leaving no room for error. Dust is no match for the super-efficient collection system that captures over 75% of debris generated. You can tackle complex projects effortlessly thanks to the tall sliding fences supporting crown and base moldings. Its exclusive back fence design handles even 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees. With a stainless steel meter detent plate offering 10 positive stops, your productivity and precision are guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.